I'm Dr. Sam Manoff. I have a practice located in Grand Valley, Ontario. We are a 7-operatory practice with a focus on general dentistry as well as a lot of digital dentistry. Our whole theme is the modern farmhouse, so the country style small town feel. It's a totally new build, so it's not something where we were updating, renovating old equipment, anything like that. We were starting from scratch. I knew this is going to be my one practice, so I definitely went all out with the equipment that I wanted to get. And it's fun just to start from the very beginning with the layout that you want. The fact that it was just a total blank canvas. Essentially, we didn't have to do any tear down, nothing like that. All of the decor you see is made by people in town. Even when you come in the doors, I did a history wall, so you have a lot of old photos of what Grand Valley used to look like. And I know it's actually a great conversation starter. Patients love looking at it and kind of remembering back. The barn doors, I liked the modern farmhouse look, so I felt like the barn doors were a really nice accent. The goal with my clinic was always having a nice, welcoming space that I think people are finding to be a little more comforting. You don't feel quite as anxious when you come here. My whole focus was having that small town feel, but also having the advantages of high-end technology, same-day dentistry, and I feel like that has really helped to serve the community.
The goals that Dr. Manoff had for the new build were she wanted to make sure she had enough space. So the operatory sizes were very important. So we did go with a larger dual entry operatories for all of the doctor's ops. For hygiene, it is single entry, but we did a larger rear cabinet. We actually did a custom design for it with A-dec. They turned out absolutely beautiful. Dr. Manoff invested in A-dec. So when it comes to her treatment centers, she's fully A-dec in all her operatories. She's actually able to integrate a prime scan into the delivery unit, which allows her to be able to use her scanner within moments.
It's so convenient, you can just pick it up at any time and start scanning as opposed to worrying about bringing the whole unit into your operatory. I think you're much more likely to use it if it's available right at the touch of your fingertips. As far as things like my chairs, that sort of stuff, a lot of it was like ergonomics, comfort for the patient, efficiency for my team as well. I would say they're some of the more comfortable chairs that I've tried when I was testing different ones out.
The 500 Pro delivery system is going to be an amazing feature for Dr. Manoff to work with. What I'm excited about this is that it does evolve with the future. Technology changes, and the beauty of the 500 Pro delivery system, which Dr. Manoff went with, is that we're going to be able to send upgrades to the system every time technology changes and allow her to advance with us rather than say later on, I wish I had made that solution.
Some of the best features in Dr. Manoff's office would be her investment in CEREC technology. Being able to invest in technology where you can do a crown, you can do a scan for a night guard. She's able to provide a service that not every office can provide.
The great thing about the CEREC technology in a dental practice is same-day dentistry that you can provide for your patients. Patients are happy and they get a brand new smile in a single visit.
Same-day dentistry is super important. Patients have loved it so far. It's just such a convenience. I just feel like it's better patient care overall. Nobody likes to have to come back multiple times, so if you can do it with great quality and do it in a day, I feel like people love that. For me, the quality of product is great as well. I have total control of being able to design the crown. I see it come out when it's milled. I can put it into the oven after. I get to control each step, so I know specifically that the quality is going to be great.
Another thing that Dr. Manoff invested in was her Dentsply Sirona Orthofos S pan. She's able to offer her clients one of the best quality images possible when it comes to digital radiographs. Another feature that they have is they're able to actually upgrade the unit that she's purchased if she wants to add CBCT later on to the practice.
Dr. Manoff really had a vision for Grand Valley to offer a pleasant, positive experience with her patients and really be able to create that personal feel. The office here allows for a practitioner to work in a very comfortable environment and allow them to be as healthy as possible when working with the patient. This office is set up for success to have the utmost patient experience with technology and ergonomics in mind.
The design aspect of the practice turned out exactly how we wanted it. She's got lots of room. She also has the ability to use those digital technologies with her practice.
Patients come in and immediately notice. It's so bright, it's so big. it just seems nice and welcoming, and that was my goal. I would definitely recommend working with those who I've worked with at Henry Schein. They have so much experience. Having those people in the very early stages can save you a lot of headaches. I'm brand new to this. I've never done this before, especially when I was still working while also trying to do this build. It's nice to have people that were really on top of it to get things done in a timely manner, but also with the quality that I wanted. The customer service as well is key, working with people that you trust, because it's a long-term relationship. It's not just going to be, doesn't end when you open your doors, it actually continues on.